Today we're getting back on my 1964 Sears Custom 600. Today we're going to go buy a brand new Predator 212cc engine for it and probably get that bolted in. But first, I want to redo the hood. See, when I first bought this, I kind of rushed just to make it look pretty. But I didn't take the right amount of time to sand the hood. So it looks really, really bad. I'll give you guys a close-up in a minute after I'm done explaining. So now I'm just going to 2-inch grind the really bad spots, make it all smooth, and then I'm going to hand sand the rest to make it extra shiny like my other Sears 10XO. So I'll give you guys a closer look at to what the hood looks like. Pretty well sanded. It's actually really smooth. I have a little like handwork to do, just like the little spots like right here and there and on the other side, but like the big spaces are really good. So now I'm just going to do the little hand spots and probably a little masking and everything, and yeah, it's coming out really good.
All right, that's gonna be it for this video. We got a lot done. I got the hood redone, and we got the engine bought and in. So that's really good. The reason I'm not driving it today, sadly, the shaft isn't the right size, so we're gonna have to buy a new pulley, which is simple. Then we'll get the clutch system done, and then we'll hopefully be driving this thing. So yeah.